cleaning your filter regularly, backwashing, and staying on top of your chemistry. Making sure your chemicals are properly balanced. A lot of pool homeowners don't know about cyanuric acid. Every chlorine puck you put in there is 50 parts chlorine, 50 parts cyanuric acid. Over a long period of time, your CYA levels rise, and that really, it cuts your chlorine efficiency in half. So if I have a 10.0 chlorine, I'll really only have a 5. If I have a 3, I'll have basically a 1 or a 0.
Yes, yeah, cyanuric acid, it's like sunscreen. It's pretty much sunscreen for chlorine.
UV rays break down chlorine on a molecular level and evaporating it. The CYA sort of acts as a sunblock for it, bouncing some of the rays off the water. The problem is once the CYA gets too high, it starts negatively affecting the chlorine.
And the thing about CYA also is you cannot dilute it with fresh water. It still stays in that constant state. You actually have to splash it out or get it rid by draining or backwashing it.
Another thing that might help a new homeowner that having trouble with algae is phosphates.
Yes.
Checking your phosphates level. Phosphates are like organic matter that gets in the pool, and it takes the chemicals away so they don't do their job accurately.
And phosphates are in everything. It's in the dogs that jump in your pool. It's on your body. It's in the rain. It's in the mulch. It's in the dirt. It's in, I mean, even some of the chemicals that pool companies use, I think we as well, there are phosphates in the actual chemicals that you add into the pool water as well. So I mean, it's inevitable that you're going to have phosphates in a pool. You just got to stay on top of it.
So my personal pool, how we keep it clean: filtration, clean the filter. You do phosphates, get rid of those, and then just balancing the other chemicals correctly.
pH level is huge as well. Your normal pH level that you want your pool water at is between a 7.2 on the very low end. 7.4 is perfect. 7.6 is getting high, but that's ideal as well.
You also want to maintain proper water level. You don't want your water dipping down too low. I would also recommend a product called Supreme Plus. It's tetrahydroborates. It essentially is a water softener, a clarifier, and a pH inhibitor. It helps keep the pH at a more balanced level, and it doesn't rise with the rain or with swimmers or stuff like that.